The rumble of a powerful engine breaks the stillness of the open road as the camera zooms in on a Harley-Davidson Fat Bob, parked by the side of the highway, gleaming in the fading sunlight. The wind is still, but there's an unmistakable tension in the air. This bike isn't just another motorcycle. It's a statement, a promise of adventure, freedom, and raw power. With a flick of the rider's hand, the engine roars to life. A deep, throaty growl emanates from the V-twin engine, vibrating through the ground and into the rider's body. There's a thrill in hearing that sound, knowing it's not just a machine, it's a living, breathing force on two wheels. The camera follows the bike as it pulls onto the road, the rider clad in a leather jacket, helmet on, ready to conquer whatever comes their way. The Harley-Davidson Fat Bob isn't just built for looks, it's built to command attention. From the very first glance, the bike screams attitude. Its wide front tire, menacing stance, and signature headlamp make it clear that this isn't your average cruiser. It's designed for those who aren't afraid to stand out and make an impression. Every curve, every line on the bike is designed with power and performance in mind, but it's the details that truly make it unforgettable. The sculpted fuel tank, the matte black finishes, and of course, the iconic Harley-Davidson logo, these are the elements that define the Fat Bob. The bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement, a symbol of freedom and rebellion. The camera slowly pans around the bike, showcasing the muscular frame and sleek lines that set it apart from everything else on the road. As the rider leans into a curve, the camera focuses on the suspension system at work. The bike hugs the road with remarkable precision, the suspension soaking up every bump and imperfection, ensuring a smooth, comfortable ride no matter the conditions. The brakes are responsive, effortlessly bringing the bike to a stop with confidence. This is a machine built to handle everything, from tight corners in the city to long, sweeping highways. But the real magic happens when the rider opens the throttle. The Fat Bob comes alive with a surge of power that's impossible to ignore. The 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8V twin engine delivers over 90 horsepower, and every twist of the throttle pushes the rider back into their seat. It's not just about speed, it's about feeling that raw, unfiltered power beneath you, connecting with the machine in a way that only a Harley can offer. The engine's rumble fills the air, a soundtrack to the rider's journey as they carve through the open road. With the sun beginning to set in the distance, the rider slows the Fat Bob down, pulling over at a scenic overlook. The bike rests against the horizon, its sleek body bathed in the warm, golden light of the setting sun. It's a moment of pure serenity, just the bike, the rider, and the endless road ahead. But the Fat Bob isn't just a bike, it's a companion. A partner in every journey, whether it's a quick ride through the city or a weekend adventure on the open road. It's the kind of bike that makes you feel alive, that reminds you of the thrill of the ride, and the freedom that comes with it. The camera zooms out, showing the rider dismounting, their boots hitting the ground with a soft thud. They walk away from the Fat Bob, a satisfied smile crossing their face. There's no need to look back, they know that this bike will always be there, ready for the next adventure. The road is calling, and with the Fat Bob, the journey is never over. The screen fades to black, and the iconic Harley-Davidson logo appears, accompanied by the words, "Ready to ride." The Fat Bob's waiting for you. Text on screen. Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews. And then, silence. The video ends.